Your 18th birthday. Are you excited to finally see?
Can't wait to see what the world looks like.
Our town is beautiful. You'll love the color of everything. Plus, you get to experience it with James since you have the same birthday.
I know. I'm excited to see him specifically.
Oh, hey, is that you? I cannot wait to see what you really look like.
I know, me too. I hope you don't think I'm ugly. I haven't seen myself either.
I'd still be your best friend, even if you were the ugliest rat ever. You guys, it's almost time. You'll be able to see in just 5 hours. Hey, let's both close our eyes and then open at the same time so we can see each other.
Okay, sounds fun.
3, 2, 1.
Wow, you're really tall.
And you're really short. Sorry I'm late. Did you finally tell her you've been able to see her this entire time?
What did you just say?
Yeah, he's had special glasses for 8 years. Dude.
Stop it!
Are you okay?
No, my soulmate keeps pulling on my string.
At least yours is pulling at all. Mine hasn't touched it.
Yeah, but he's yanking on it. I almost fell down the stairs this morning because of him.
Dude, he's probably just trying to find out where you are. Leave him alone.
I swear, if he doesn't stop pulling...
Hey!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Watch where the fuck you're going, bitch.
I said I'm sorry, my soulmate did it.
I don't care what you say. Don't bump into me again. Now, if you excuse me, I got shit to do. Did I really just witness that happen?
Who was that?
I think you just met one of the twins that moved here. His name's Kyle.
Well, he's mean. He also smelled like a friggin' Frito.
Yeah, I heard his brother's way better looking.
Ugh. You know what? I think it's time for me to pull back. Have fun with this.
Guys, the new kid literally just fell down the staircase. Dude, that was definitely your fault.
Okay, well, we don't know that.
He fell immediately after you pulled on that string.
Maybe it was just a big coincidence?
Do not let anyone find out that it was you, okay?
I won't.
Hey, I'm on to you, bitch.
What are you talking about?
Don't play dumb. I know what you did.
What did I do?
If you ever get near my brother, I will cut all your hair off.
Okay.
Dude, this was all your soulmate's fault. Well, she didn't know that it was gonna pull me down the stairs.
The string is getting shorter.
You're too close to him.
Oh, what do I do? He's pulling again.
Dude, just pull the string too.
What does it look like I'm trying to do? All the tension just went away.
What are you talking about?
It's not connected to anything.
That would be because I cut the string between you and my brother.
What do you mean that you cut the string?
I took a pair of scissors and chopped it in half.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die alone.
I told you to stay away from my brother, bitch. The next thing I'll cut's your hair.
There's gotta be a way we can get this to connect to him again. I can't die alone.
Sorry for eavesdropping, but if you get close enough to him, the ends of the string will reconnect to each other.
Great, how am I gonna get close to him with his crazy brother?
Follow me. I think I have an idea that'll work.
What are you doing?
Everyone run! There's a huge fire! Oh my god, guys, there's a fire. We need to go now.
Oh! Dude!
It worked, didn't it? He's right there. Go.
Hey, wait up!
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Nothing. Why are you so miserable? Why can't I be with your brother?
Because if I don't get a soulmate, neither does he. I don't have a string. Guys, what's with all the yelling over here? Wait, did the string just... Our strings just connected. Does that mean we're soulmates?
Looks like it.
Really? I'm so glad you found me.
Yeah.
You are not being soulmates with that fucking loser. Come on, bro. Let's go. Right now.
Whoa.
What are you doing? I said stay away.
I'm not trying to go with you. I got pulled when he moved.
What do you mean? Once you're that close to your soulmate, the string can't get any further apart.
What?
The only way to get rid of the string is to share a kiss.
We have to kiss?
Exactly, or you just have to follow him like you're on a leash forever. A kiss doesn't sound too bad. You're not kissing her. She is so disgusting. I'm Dylan, by the way.
Oh, I'm...
La 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 la.
What the hell is your problem? Can you stop?
No, I don't want him to have a soulmate.
Why?
Because he always gets everything and I don't want him to fall in love.
Can't say we even tried. We were back Fuck it, let's do it again.
Don't you think that's a little selfish?
No, I don't think it's selfish. I think it's unfair.
So you don't want your own brother to be happy?
He can't be happy if I'm not happy too.
Actually, I think I know someone who can fix this.
You do not have to help him. He's been so mean to you and he's crazy.
I know, but I want to help him. Hey, Missy, there's someone I want you to meet.
What the fuck do you want?
This is my friend.
Ooh, I kind of like her. She's feisty.
Missy doesn't have a string either. Maybe you guys can bond.
No way. You are not trying to set me up with your friend right now. No, I know you're just trying to distract me so you can get closer to my brother. Wait, but you're kind of cute. I love musty men. Well, in that case, I could probably make some time. I think he just smiled. I haven't seen him smile in 3 years. Guess we should find out if we're soulmates now. Guys, stop! Don't do it!
Yeah, hold up. You killed that hoe. Yeah.
Hey besties, I'm home right now and I don't really feel like making a POV, so I'm gonna give you a tattoo tour. I don't really show my body a lot, but I have a lot. Starting out with the first one I ever got, this is a rose because my middle name is Rose. I don't know how I decided to get this one next, but this is my snake Pearl. I got this bad boy, which says happiness, ironic because I'm depressed. And this one says live your dream because that's exactly what I'm doing. Live your dreams, bitch. I have some little ones on this arm. This is just size and parentheses because... And this is Todd. I love Todd. Was feeling really emo this day, so this is a skull hand holding a match. So in this hand I have angel wings. This is fading a lot. 52 is my angel number, and then I have a knife with 2 hearts and 2 butterflies. This is upside down, but it says crybaby, and this is like lavender or flowers. I don't really know. We have a lighter, and that one says, I wish you were here. Running out of time, but we have a bunny, this says love, and then this is Patricia. We have a cross and a baby angel. Finally, this on my leg. Yeah. Oh, hey, Mom, good morning. Ew, why do you sound like a grandma? I don't know. Why do I sound like this? Guys, don't panic. Everyone's gonna sound like this until we all find our soulmates. But I'm married. What? I mean, I just sound like this until I find my soulmate. It makes me want to scratch my eardrums out. Literally everyone sounds like this. You are so dramatic. Everyone's gonna make fun of me at school. Hey, Bailey. Hello? Hello? Can you talk? Hi. Ew, why do you sound like this too? I don't know, okay? I have to find my soulmate so I can get rid of this. Don't act like you don't already know who your soulmate is. What are you talking about? Everybody knows that you're in love with Stacy. What? I am not in love with Stacy. Yes, you are. Don't lie. Look, there she is. Stacy, what's wrong? My mom kicked me out of the house because I told her that I like girls.
One person has a crush on me? Seriously? I guess that's better than none. Josh, why are you wearing sunglasses in school? You look goofy.
Because the ladies love it. My crushes went up to 25.
25? I don't even think I know 25 people.
I'm just hot. How many do you have?
1.
Oh, look at the time. I need to get to class right now. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Wow. You know he's lying to you, right?
But no, he's not. Josh would never lie to me.
There is no way. He's been chasing the same person for 10 years.
What? He never told me that he had a crush on someone.
Oh my god, because it's you, idiot!
I need to go catch back up with him. Josh, wait.
No, I can't. I'm gonna be late to class.
When have you ever cared about being late to class? Ow! That's where you're going.
I am so sorry. I didn't mean to trip you like that.
I'm Bailey.
My name's Dylan, but why were you running just now?
Bitches, here's a vlog of me getting my hair done because it was so gross. First, we had to bleach my roots because they were looking crusty, dusty, musty, and disgusting. Why am I sexy with wet hair? Anyway, then they started doing highlights on my hair, and I sat under this literal robot. What is that? Here's me getting my hair washed once again. I look so cute, as per usual. After that, we just blow-dried it and cut it. What I asked for was a shaggy wolf cut, and I got some highlights added in. This is the final product. This is the sexiest thing I've ever seen. Like, oh.
Must be the self-appointed queen bee. Interesting thing about bees. Pull out their stingers and they drop dead.
I was there right next to her. Who the fuck is Ava? Shoot up the gun. And she started dating.
Happy birthday, 18!
Thanks, I'm so excited to be finally legal.
Since you're finally old enough, I want to give you this necklace to wear.
It's cute, but why couldn't I have it until now?
The necklace is enchanted, and it holds all of our family fortune. Last thing, don't let anyone else touch it, ever. Congrats, honey.
Thank you.
There you are. Happy birthday.
Thanks, you guys.
Cute necklace. Is that new?
Yeah, my mom just gave it to me today.
Do you mind if I see it? It's so cute.
I can't take it off.
Why not? It's just a necklace. I told you I want to see it.
I can't. That was so weird.
Yeah, people go pretty crazy over the royal family crest.
What?
The necklace you're wearing is only for royal family members.
Okay, I'm not a part of the royal family. Maybe it's a fake.
You don't understand. The necklace won't clasp on anyone who's not in the family.
What?